Oh, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. It is our annual festive cocktail video.
Let it play and then you talk.
Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Pagani and I am here to show you my annual holiday cocktail. Today I'm going to do the vegan coquito, and anybody who knows me knows that I love to do a spin on a classic cocktail. And today I get to bring in my husband Marcos because he's always up to do any type of taste testing. So Marcos, come and join us.
Hi everyone.
All right, so have you ever had a coquito?
I have not.
Okay, so it's a classic Puerto Rican holiday drink. I've had it before. It's full of dairy, full of refined sugar, and usually made with rum. So I'm gonna make a vegan version without any added sugar, and we're actually not gonna use rum, and we're gonna use coconut vodka. So let's get started.
Okay.
So I found these great organic coconut cream, coconut condensed milk at Whole Foods, and light coconut milk. So what you want to do is take all of these things and actually put them in the blender. So here we go. Here is our coconut cream. So the reason why you need to put this in the blender is because it will be so lumpy if you don't. And I'm actually making this warm to really smooth it out. And then we've got our light coconut milk, 13.5 ounces of each go in here.
So far, anyone can do that.
Yeah, exactly. And the sweetened coconut condensed milk is unbelievably amazing. So we need about 11 ounces of this. So each of these cans are 7.5, so I'm just gonna wing this. Because you know something, at the end of the day, if you have a little extra condensed milk, I don't think it hurt anybody, but.
Well, you always had an obsession for condensed milk. It's true.
I know, I love it. I can literally eat this out of the can. It's so good. Okay, so look at that. That is so easy. Now we're gonna blend this in the blender.
And by the way, it looks probably thick from the camera, but it's very light here.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, so I blended this for about a minute, and you're gonna see why I wanna actually heat this up, because I've tried this a couple of times and still the consistency looks like a little bit off. What do you think?
Yeah.
Like, this is not cute to serve this all like lumpy like this, even after a minute of blending. So next I'm gonna add my half a cup of almond milk. And then we need our vanilla extract. Do you want to like do something besides taste test?
Whatever is needed from me, I will do.
Okay, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ew, why is this on my finger? Okay. I always love extra vanilla, extra cinnamon. Doesn't that smell so good?
Very festive.
This doesn't get you excited? I love doing like holiday things.
I've never tried it, so
okay.
I'm excited to try this.
Okay, well.
And I usually don't drink warm drinks at all.
Well, this is like what I feel like we should be drinking when we're opening gifts on Christmas morning. Okay, so.
In the morning with vodka, great.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So next what I'm gonna do is put this in the blender a quick second, and then I'm gonna put it in the pot and get it all warm so that it's completely smooth.
It's filming, so you can keep talking.
I know. Okay, so what I know, but look at me. It's looking awkward that you're just staring at the camera. Okay.
Okay,
so,
look at you doing the
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
I can carry that.
Yes.
I can carry that.
Okay, so now we're going to put this in there.
Oh yeah, it's
Like,
still
come
very
on,
thick.
this is so gloppy. I would never want to serve something like this. But you're gonna see how this is going to change completely when we warm it up.
Should we show them what it looks like right now or not really?
Yeah, I think so. Can you see that?
Here you go.
Yeah. Looks like oatmeal.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so now let's get this warmed up.
For how long?
I would say definitely don't overheat it. You definitely don't want to overheat it. So you gotta watch it. Just want to melt it so that there's no lumps and bumps in it. Mixture is silky smooth. As you see, there's no lumps. It's not hot, it's just warm. So you want to take your coconut vodka. The original recipe calls for rum. I just didn't want to do that. So you can either do a half a shot or a full shot. Obviously, I'm going to do a full shot. It's the holidays, so let's get festive. Then you're going to take your mixture, add it in. It mixes so easily. You can also do a virgin. The kids are gonna love this. Clean up the glass. Marcos, do you wanna come and taste this? All right, let's see.
Oh wow, this got so smooth.
Okay, so we are going to put, no, let me put some cinnamon on it.
Okay.
I mean, isn't that so pretty? Okay, take a sip.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
Okay, now,
Very good.
okay, let's do another one for me.
This is way too easy to drink though.
I know. Okay, so this recipe, which I'll post, serves 8, but in our household, it'll probably just serve 2.
This is so easy to drink. It's
I know,
actually,
and you can actually drink this in a mug, and nobody will know you're actually having a hot cocktail.
it's a little dangerous to be honest.
Yeah. Like I didn't even stir it or mix it, but I love it with. You can put nutmeg on it. I actually like cinnamon on it. Let's see. Cheers.
Cheers.
To a holiday cheer. This is
Wow.
so good. I'm not kidding you. Okay, I want to know if everybody likes this one. Happy holidays.